Hey everybody, this is Eric Miller at M&M 2026. I'm here with Kyung-Soon Kim from Kim's Reference Materials and for Kim's Reference Corp and from South Korea, and they have some really fascinating reference materials for SEM and AFM that will soon be provided here in the United States through Ted Pella, and which we wanted Kyung-Soon to explain to us very briefly what it is that you have available and why they're special and cool.
Thank you very much. So, Kim's Reference Corporation has been established 5 years ago. So we are from the experience of 30 years experience in Korea Research Institute of Standard and Science. It's a science body. It's similar with NIST of USA. So we generally the reference material for SEM generally has been fabricated by photolithography method. But in this method, the shape of the line is not perfect. So Kim's Reference Corporation used some other techniques. It's namely ion beam multi-layer thin film growth method. Then very perfect nano structures can be fabricated. The pitch value and line width value can be used to calibrate the measurement scale of SEM and AFM.
So, what governing bodies are you accredited for or certified for these reference materials?
Kim's Reference Corporation has been accredited, internationally accredited as a reference material producer. So they can certify, they can supply certified reference material in the field of magnification, line width, and step height.
Okay. Well, thank you very much, Kyung-Soon. If people want to find out more about your products, go to kimsreference.com. And I think they're really fascinating. I didn't know you could actually do some of these, had reference materials for some of these things. It's very interesting. So we will talk to you again next time. We've got more coming out from M&M 2026. Check out Instructinate.com for all your cool electron microscope related merch that you definitely need. And we'll talk to you soon. Thank you.